Hello, hello, hello. Free Dave D. Williamson, founder of Social Pro Revolution, with another interview with an extraordinary, great-hearted man, Chris Henson, who has just joined Social Pro based on the results he got within an hour of free coaching with us. The proof is in the pudding. He knows something good when he sees it. Hello, Chris.
Hi, good morning. How you feeling, Dave?
Oh man, I'm busy, busy, busy. You know how it is. Everybody's knocking our doors down here, man, wanting free coaching. So, you ran across Social Pro about I don't know 2, 3 weeks ago. You seen some educational content. You said, "Wow, man, I got to check out this coach because I need to get branded." Came to us and we told you we would get you qualified for $1,000 of free personal coaching. We got you qualified. We ran you through 3 hours of training. Did you get real marketing results during them 3 hours?
Yes, I did, man. I was actually knocked off my boots. The Skype was awesome. The training there, the Twitter. I seen results in about 2.5 to 3 hours.
Yep. And now you're getting your branding set up. For everybody watching this video out there, tell them some of the MLM or direct sales businesses you were in and why you were failing so they can relate and they know that they're not alone in this world, Chris.
Oh yes. Oh, my first contact was 6 Degree. They came out of Texas. It was an awesome product. But again, there was no training. I didn't realize about training until I embarked on that. And wow, you got in and you were just stuck. You didn't know what to do. You brought in members and you got $6 or whatever it was, and it went down to $1 as you brought them up on your levels. But it was definitely no training. You're just bringing in people doing nothing.
Yeah, you joined something, they got you money, but then the retention rates all fell to heck and back because they didn't teach you nothing. Did you have any coaching?
No coaching at all, man. Wow, I was just out there on a lamb, just sitting there wondering. I brought my family in and a couple of friends, but we didn't know. I didn't know what to tell them, and they didn't know what to tell me.
You know, a lot of businesses right now, they don't want to teach you how to brand yourself or they don't know how. They want you to brand them, promote them, and that's all they care about. They tell you, go exhaust your warm market. Go talk to your mom, dad, your family, your brothers, sisters, cousins. They get tired of hearing that. You end up hearing, well, you ain't never going to make no money or nothing. I'm sure a lot of you people out there have heard that from your brothers, sisters, cousins. You ain't going to do nothing online. You ain't going to make no money. You know what? You gotta have an audience besides your family to market to. We actually teach you how to access 3 billion people online. We teach you how to stand out amongst them people and also how to influence them people into joining your business. So, what was the next business you were in that you could think of, Chris, and a problem?
Well, I got involved with the Empower Network. Yeah, that was rough there. Again, no coaching. Wow, I mean, blogging wasn't a problem, but how to blog, what to blog about. I could think of a lot of things, but like I say, I needed someone to actually guide me, take me by my hand, and walk me through the system.
Yeah, and that's another thing we do over here at Social Pro. I've been blogging for over 10 years, okay? Gang, I haven't done a blog post in over a year now, and I still get close to a quarter million. I think last time I checked, it was 180,000 visits last week, okay? And I've got over $50,000 worth of video training that truly works. And I've never asked for one dime of anybody's hard money. So we teach blogging over here also in our influential training. We have a blog platform coming, along with a webinar platform coming, matrix is coming. We have a lot of things coming. And with this one-on-one coaching, this is the ground floor place you want to be, gang. I'm telling you, we're the next biggest Amway, Avon, any leader you can think about. That's what we're going to be here in the near future. So with Empower Network, Chris, did you start getting emails that you didn't go all in and spend $10,000 and that you were losing sales because other people were coming in?
Yes, I did. I found that out. You have to go all in. You have to go all in. They don't need to make any money, but I didn't realize that, until, wow, I was about broke.
But you're glad you didn't go all in because you wouldn't have had a coach to teach you how to influence others, would you?
Exactly. I'd have been like in the water.
Yeah, you'd really been broke. Okay. What's another business so people can relate?
Oh, I was in with Kuzak.
Carbon Copy Pro. Yeah, I know Jay.
Oh man, that was a Lulu. Whoo, man, I pulled my hair out. I had hair at the time, but I lost it then.
What kind of marketing was he promoting?
Well, you just followed the protocol, but it was again, there was no training, no training at all. I mean, man, you just got the product. But like I say, I've learned from other gentlemen, another partner of mine from Ohio, and we figured out what was happening. But it was too late. I spent $2,000 in that particular product, and that was the bottom end. There was nobody coming in at 2,000, so I wouldn't have been able to make a dollar off of that.
And now old Jay's retired, and you sitting here needing to learn, right?
Yeah, he probably owns Midas Media right now. That's where he came from.
There you have it, gang. I just wanted you to hear Chris's story. Ask yourself a question, okay? If your marketing's not working today, is it going to work tomorrow? Okay, we can get you results in your first 3 hours. If we can get you results live with coaching, okay, in 3 hours, then why in the heck is everybody failing day after day, year after year? They keep trying things. You got to stop and think about it. Hey, I got to change. I got to stop this. If I want my family to have a future and I want to retire, I got to find something that works. So if you're not getting results within your first week or so, get rid of it. Don't mess with it no more. It's going to keep failing.
Exactly.
With that being said, gang, follow the very brief instructions below, above, beside this video, and we will see you on the winning side. I look forward to connecting with you on Skype. Remember, we're only 17 months old. We got over 2,000 successful students. I look forward to seeing you on the winning side. We'll catch you later. Free Dave. Toodaloo.